Hey, what's up guys? Just another short video. So here is the blower, the new Magnuson 2650. It's installed on my car. There's a few things that kind of had to be semi-modified to make this thing fit, but in the end everything was okay. Drove it home, actually idled pretty good. Didn't really punch it because I'm not trying to blow the motor or anything without the updated tune and everything being done. But the blower's on the car. Found out this is a 3.4, 3.5 size pulley. Not really quite sure what belt size I'm gonna need, because I know my installer told me that this belt is too big, so when it makes a pull, it needs to be slightly smaller so it can be tighter on there. But yeah, let me fire it up real quick so you guys can hear it. It's pretty dirty.
This is
There she goes. So I drove it about 25-30 miles to the house. No issues. So other than that, gonna try to get it tuned this week. And then the track actually has an event on Saturday or Sunday, I don't remember which day. But man, as soon as I get this thing dialed in, I'll update with some dyno numbers. Still stock bottom end, so we'll see what it does with the supporting mods and the E85 that I have. But I'm excited to say the least, but want to hold my transmission and motor together. So I'll update you guys and let you know how it goes. If you can, man, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll fill you guys in soon. Thanks. Bye.